powerful earthquake struck Myanmar on Friday, causing massive destruction. Buildings have collapsed, roads are broken, and over 1,600 people have lost their lives. Rescue teams are searching through the rubble, hoping to find survivors. Aftershocks continue to shake the city, making the situation even more dangerous. The Myanmar government has asked for international help, a rare move for the country. Meanwhile, in Thailand, the earthquake caused a skyscraper to collapse in Bangkok. 17 people have died and many are still trapped. Rescuers are working day and night using drones and sniffer dogs to find survivors.